Texas, northeastern Tarrant County, and north-central Texas, northern Dallas County, central Texas, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
That didn't include my city.
At 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight
Holy
Time, a
freaking-
severe thunderstorm was located over Coppell, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour.
Oh wait, no.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Arlington, Plano, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Carrollton, Louisville, Flower Mound, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Keller, Coppell, The Colony, Farmers Branch, Southlake, Bulk Springs, University Park,
Well, but
and
now-
Colleyville. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.